This is Burncoat Head Park, where I walked on the floor of the ocean and where I slept for the night. Right there under that tree, not picnic table, on the picnic table, I had breakfast this morning. It was a little windy, so it took a little longer for that water to boil. This is the view from the top of the lighthouse. Isn't it amazing? Wow. Each window. Yeah, this is awesome. Down to the ocean floor, and I came the other side. I found a way that you didn't have to slip and slide down. I'm almost at Maitland, Nova Scotia, just outside. I found where everyone else is parked. Wow. It's funny, as the tide starts coming in, so does the wind pick up. Almost up to that rock now. Nice day for flying a kite. As the tide comes in, the fishermen come out and start fishing. You can't see those rocks at all now. They are totally covered. Look at this bay now. It is full. So where I walked under this dock, certainly can't do that now, but the fishermen are still fishing. My view where I'm staying tonight is the smallest provincial park I've ever seen. You just have garbage can, picnic table, and you kind of park on the side, and that's it. It is 7:30 in the morning, and I drove to another park, as the place I want to go to today doesn't open till 9. Whoop, listen to the birds. Oh no, it's a chipmunk. Hello, you. Cool. They even have hammocks along the way, in case you want to rest or relax at your picnic site. I like that. Like you need a blanket under you. These balls kind of stick into your body all over the place. Better just use it like a swing. It certainly will be easier to get off than the one I bought. And that Shubenacadie Wildlife Park. I read up about this wildlife park, and they don't take anything out of the wild to put here. There are things like injured animals that they try and get back in to the wild, or animals that people have had for pets and no longer want, and also zoos that are getting rid of animals that can't go back into the wild. They'll take them here. So it's almost like a refuge in a way. A red-tailed hawk. Peregrine falcon. Looks like that black bear is sleeping. And then there seems to be one in the little hut. Here's another view of the bear. There's an owl. Sometimes I wish there wasn't so much fence between us. Yeah. Now you're looking at me. See you digging there? There? You trying to get some shade right there? Oh, those flies are bugging you. They're all over there. Yep, can't get rid of them. Another one lying in the grass. Yeah. An elk. He was in a good place a minute ago. Now he's moved. I get to see his butt end instead. That's better. I didn't see that one before. That one's bigger. There, now he's a little bigger. Hello there. Another one. Culture. Yeah, right there. What you doing up there? I'm the king of the castle. This is a Patagonian mara. Never heard of them before. Just a little moose. Coyotes. They're mostly staying in the back. But I got one there. There's a red fox. I've seen a few of those in Niagara Falls this year. I think I might do the wetland trail even though I'm already getting bitten all over. That is called a fisher, and they're just sleeping. Everyone's trying to stay out of the heat. See how big and natural the pens are? They're great. I'm in the bird blind, but I'm not seeing any birds. I'm hiding, guys. Come out, wherever you are. I'm on this platform, and it moves every time you step on it. It's like I could get seasick. I'm not good with certain boats, so, or fair rides. I am so glad I come early. I'm just ready to leave. Can't get out right now. There's a bus behind me. Yes, 2 full buses of people just arrived. So I'm glad I came nice and early when it opened. I'm taking a walk in Truro at Victoria Park along this little babbling brook. But it is so hot. It's like 29 degrees here. I know tonight I'm going to be dying trying to sleep in this city. Hopefully the rain that's coming will cool it off. This is called Jacob's Ladder. You can see why. I'll try that later, maybe. Things falling down the sides. Wish it was cooler. I can walk up some of these steps, but just walking the trail, I'm covered in sweat. Oh my gosh. Whee, up there. Oh. Little waterfalls everywhere. I guess these are the real waterfalls. That's pretty cool. Other set of falls that goes into a pool that flows down to the other set of falls. I did climb up 30 steps. I'm not sure if I'll climb up any more. The water sliding down this rock. Everywhere I go, right in the middle of the day, doesn't have to be nighttime, I see deer and they're not afraid of anything. No, they're just everywhere in subdivisions. Out here. I've never seen so many like this. They just sit on the road, wander between house to house. I've seen a lot this trip. I have been craving date squares on this trip. I've even gone into a couple of the bakeries along the way, and I couldn't get one. And just a few minutes ago, one of my fellow campers on this site, where we are staying for the night, brought me over a date square. Well, it's dark, but we all got kicked out of where we were all camping tonight. And now we all arrived at Walmart. There's nowhere else really to go. I guess I will sleep here tonight.